Are you ready to take your income to the next level? In this video, I am revealing 10 must-try online side gigs that you can start today and boost your earnings in no time. Get ready to discover new ways to monetize your skills and free time with these exciting opportunities. Whether you're a freelancer, a creative professional, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, these online side gigs are perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the top 10 online side gigs that can make you the most money. Starting at number 10, we have online surveys. It is the easiest way to make money online without any special skills or experience. All you need to do is share your opinions and get paid. There are many websites that offer online surveys, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and MikePoints. These websites pay you in cash or gift cards for completing surveys. On average, you can expect to make around $10 to $25 per survey, which may not sound like a lot, but it can add up quickly. Number 9, freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, then freelance writing could be the perfect side gig for you. You can write articles, blog posts, website content, and more for clients all over the world. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start your freelance writing career. As a beginner, you can charge around $20 to $50 per hour. And with experience, you can raise your rates up to $200 or more per article. At no 8. We have virtual assisting. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. You can provide services such as scheduling appointments, managing email inboxes, and conducting research. Platforms like Upwork and Guru are excellent resources for finding virtual assistant jobs. The average hourly rate for a virtual assistant is between $15 and $50. No! 7. Graphic designing. If you have a creative flair and an eye for design, you can try your hand at graphic designing. You can create logos, social media, graphics, website designs, and more for clients. Websites like 99 Designs and Design Crowd allow you to showcase your skills and find clients. As a beginner, you can charge around $50 to $100 per project. And with experience, you can raise your prices to several $100s or more per project. Number 6. Social media management. Many businesses and individuals are looking for help managing their social media accounts. You can provide services such as posting content, engaging with followers, and running ads. On average, social media managers can earn between $30 and $80 per hour. At no 5. We have content writing. Content writing is another great option for those who enjoy writing. You can create engaging and informative content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms. On average, content writers can earn around $15 to $40 per hour. Number 4. Web design. If you have the skills to create functional and user-friendly websites, web designing could be a lucrative side gig for you. You can use platforms like WordPress and Wix to build websites for clients. The average hourly rate for web designers is between $30 and $100. No. 3. Proofreading. If you have a keen eye for detail, you can consider becoming a proofreader. You can work remotely and set your own hours. The average proofreader earns around $20 to $40 per hour. At no 2, we have copywriting. Copywriting is a highly effective way to promote products or services through persuasive writing. You can create compelling sales copy for websites, emails, and ads. On average, copywriters can earn between $25 and $50 per hour. And finally, at the top online side gig that can make you the most money is starting an e-commerce store. You can sell products online through platforms like Shopify and Etsy. With an e-commerce store, you have the potential to earn unlimited income. And folks, the 10 online side gigs that can make you the most money. Whether you're a freelancer, a creative professional, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, these options are perfect for you. With a little effort and dedication, you can start earning money today. So why wait? Give these side gigs a try and see which one works best for you. Who knows? You may just find a new passion or even a full-time income stream. Good luck and happy earning! If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.